Hey guys, tonight I was undecided about what to do with this chicken, so I decided to make fried chicken with it. And okay, it's gonna be so tasty. It smells so delicious. I have some more that on the side. So basically I put it in a Ziploc bag like this and put flour in there, and then you just shake it together, and then you drain the excess flour. Okay? Because otherwise it will burn in the oil, and then it will make it have like a burned color, like very black. And well, to season it, I just add some salt, pepper, and salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. And then first, what I did, I washed the meat, and I added some salt and vinegar. And then I just put the seasoning on it, and I also added nutmeg. I really like my fried chicken with nutmeg. It gives it a very nice flavor. And then so first, step one, wash the meat with vinegar and salt. Then rinse it. And then step two, you put the meat in the bag with flour, and so you add some salt in there, salt and pepper, and then you just shake the excess flour, and then you just fry it. Put some hot oil, and then you just fry the chicken. Really delicious. Smells so good. And I'm making this with green beans and fried plantain, or maybe mofongo. I've never tried that before, but I'll try to make it tonight and see what it tastes like.